So, like, what happens if, a company doesn't validate anything and they just keep things moving? Like, what happens to that organization? Obviously, they're going to fall under scrutiny, but what happens if they don't do it?
Yeah, that is a very bad scenario to fall into. I am actually on the trail of a company where I found the company name in the database,
Okay.
and that was about it. And I was like, well, it was a life science company. They were selling medications. I mean, what was the problem? And then when I did the Google search and I see this FDA warning letter, I'm like, oh, they fell afoul of the FDA. How
Oh my
unfortunate.
goodness.
So I'm actually going to dig into that one a bit deeper because I'm not 100% sure, point A, point B are connected, but I just find it highly suspicious that the only thing I could find was they existed in this company database and then there's this FDA warning letter. I'm like, where'd they go? So that's
What
kind of
happened?
worst case scenario. But short of that, the other things that can happen is you can get a warning letter and then still decide you're going to try and do business.
Hmm.
I'm actually, I've got a video ready to go about a finding where a company was qualifying a cleaning machine, and they fell into I guess something that we even debated when I was with my old employer is that, well, it's a piece of equipment, so should it be process validation? But it's doing residue removal, so shouldn't it be cleaning validation? And so this company chose the process validation, and I'm reading all these FDA findings. I'm like, oh, that's because it really should have been a cleaning validation. You're doing residue removal. You weren't doing manufacturing with that equipment. And so that's what my video topic's going to be on. So they're going to have to now hustle and figure out, okay, we need to validate it the way that the FDA expects you to, which is more of a cleaning validation approach.